So self-management skills, it is the second chapter from part A, that is employability skills. Okay, the chapter name it is self-management skills. But in this chapter, we are dealing with stress management. Okay. Stress, what do you mean by stress? Stress refers to a physical, mental, or emotional strain or tension. Okay. So stress refers to a physical, mental, or emotional strain or tension. So, meaning and importance of stress management are, stress management refers to focusing human efforts for maintaining a healthy body and mind capable of better withstanding stressful situations. Okay, so it is very important to handle stress management because it affects our body, mind, and all the other things. Okay. So, what do you mean by stress? Stress refers to a physical, mental, or emotional strain or tension. Okay. Then importance of stress. Stress management is vital because it leads to following benefits, which are the benefits related with stress management. That is, it improves mood, boosts immune system. It will boost the immune system of our body, promotes longevity, leads to burst of physical strength, which is vital for reaching a goal. And the fifth point it is complete mental physical engagement for task accomplishment. Task accomplishment. All of you switch on the video. Afsana, Raya, Swadi, Sania, all of you switch on the video. Rohan, switch on the video. Okay, Lena. Raya, Afsana, all of you switch on the video. So the main points related with importance of stress management are it will improve our moods, then boosts immune system, then promotes longevity, leads to burst of physical strength, which is vital for reaching a goal. Then complete mental and physical engagement for a particular task accomplishment. To achieve a particular task, we need a complete mental and physical engagement. For that, we have to manage the stress. Okay. Then it increases efficiency and effectiveness. After managing the stress, it will increase the efficiency and effectiveness. Then the last point it is, it prevents psychological disorders and behavior problems. The next it is stress causing agents. Which are the main stress causing agents? The first one it is mental. Then second one physical, then social. Last one it is financial. So the main cause of stress are mental, physical, social, and financial. First, we're discussing about mental. That is, students can be left overwhelmed if they are unable to handle their assignment submission, deadlines, and examination grades. If there is any tension based on your result or based on your assignment submission or based on your examination, that is mental stress. Okay. Based on you students, if there is a problem or if there is a tension based on your assignment submission or based on your examination time or based on your result, if there is any tension or stress based on these problems, that is mental stress. Then second one, it is physical. As children grow up, they may become critically conscious of their looks. Okay, so issues related to general well-being and health of an individual can lead to low self-esteem and cause stress. That is, for example, if we are very bothered about our beauty or bothered about our body shape or something like that, it is related with physical stress. Okay, so when we are grow up, the children may become critically conscious of their looks. That is physical stress. That is an example for physical stress. Then the third point, it is social. That is the problems in your family, within your family members, peer pressure for doing things with which children would generally avoid. That is, maintaining balance in relationship among us, among friends, status show of may leads to stress at the time. Social means the difficulties that happened in your friend circle or within your family members or within your classmates, just like that. Okay, that is social stress. And last one is financial stress. That is based on the financial structure. Okay. If there is any financial problem related with you, that is financial stress. So these are the three causes related with stress. The first one, it is mental. Then second one, it is physical. Then social. Then financial. Then how we can manage this stress? There are some techniques for managing the stress. The first one is physical exercise. Do some physical exercise, just like walking, skipping, or dancing, or any physical exercise. Then second point, it is yoga. Yoga is one of the main technique used for managing stress. Then enjoying, that is, enjoy the song or dancing or game, playing games. All these are related with enjoying. But you do, if there is a stress, you manage that stress using hearing wonderful songs or playing games, just like that. Okay. So that is the third point. Then the fourth point, it is meditation. It is a practice where an individual is supposed to focus his or her mind on a particular object. That is the main thing. You want to pray very well at the time of stress. Okay. So that is meditation. It is a practice where an individual is supposed to focus his or her mind on a particular object or thought or activity to achieve a calm mental state. It will reduce stress. Then fifth point, it is going on vacations with family and friends, going for trips. Then healthy diet. There is another stress management technique, that is having a healthy diet will also help you to reduce stress. The last point, it is positivity, that is focusing on negative aspects in life leads to stress. So you just focus on your positive sides, then we can reduce stress. The next topic, it is ability to work independently. Working independently. Everyone on this earth should learn the art of working independently. Okay. Following are the benefits of working independently. The first one, it is ensures greater learning. When we work independently, we can ensure greater learning. Then the second point, individuals feel more empowered and responsible. That is, each and every individual, if they are working independently, then you can empower and individuals feel more empowered and responsible. We are very responsible when we are doing something individually. Okay. It provides flexibility to choose and define working. If you are doing a work individually, we can select the working time. Okay, that is, it provides flexibility to choose and define working hours. We can select the working hours and working mechanisms also. We are deciding the working hours and also we are designing the working mechanisms. Okay. Then failure and success of the task assigned are accounted by individuals. So there is a problem. If there is a failure, it is affected ourselves only. If there is a success, it is also affected me only if I am doing the work individually. Okay, so that is the problem. And it is also good. Failure and success of the task assigned are accounted by individuals. There is no need of writing these points. It is very common points. You already know all these points. But in your chapter, these points are there. That's why I'm just explaining. We are discussing some MCQ questions based on this chapter. Then you get one idea about how the questions will come through this chapter. Okay, from this chapter. Okay. So last point, it is individuals become assets to organizations, groups and nations. Individuals are the assets to organizations, groups and nations. Which one, Devasena? There is no need of writing these points. You just write the headings. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What, Devasena?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything I want to repeat?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Enhancing ability to work independently. So how we can, that is self-awareness, self-motivated, self-regulated. Self-awareness, having conscious knowledge of your own, your capability, your feelings, and your character. That is self-awareness. Then self-motivated, you just motivate yourself. Self-motivated individuals have an inner urge to do something, achieve their goals without any external pressure. Then self-regulated. Self-regulation inculcates discipline that helps in consistent efforts to move towards goal. You just write these headings only, okay?
I mean, okay.
Okay, Fisan?
Yes, ma'am. Password was not. It was showing password and not correct. No, okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
And what is this?
This is second chapter.
And then first chapter we take now.
Yes.
Sorry. I'm continuation.
What, Fisan?
I'm is it continuation? Another one.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the last topic from the chapter 2, from chapter 2, that is stress management, a small chapter.
Okay.
Okay. This is the third chapter, that is ICT skills, that is information and communication technology. It is based on computer, information and communication technology, ICT skills. Chapter 3. What is the operating system? In your system, which operating system is used? In your system, which is the operating system? Swati? Any idea? No. Anjali?
Ma'am, in our system.
Which operating system is used?
No, ma'am, I don't have idea.
No, no. Okay, okay. Fizan?
And computer. Computer. Ma'am, it is CPU.
That are the parts of the computer.
Operating.
Operating system
RAM.
in, no, it is Windows 7, Windows 10, just like that, okay? That is the operating system that is used in your system. So you just check which operating system is in your system.
Motherboard, it is.
No. When you open the system, a message like Windows 10 or Windows 7, just like that, or you just, which one?
Windows 10.
Windows 7, or you just press start button, then in that start link, it will display.
Yes.
Is that your operating system?
My Windows.
Windows which one?
Windows.
7, 10, 8.
I'm in a 10. 10.
Is it 10?
Man, that i3, that core i3.
Okay. So operating system is a software that serves as an interface between the user and computer. Okay. You all know that computer is a machine. And when we get that computer, we can't do anything in that computer. So a machine, computer is a machine, and we are the user, and there is a mediator between this user and machine. That mediator is operating system. If you want to do anything in your system, you want to use this operating system in your machine, that is in your computer. So operating system is a software that serves as an interface between user and computer. Without an operating system, we can't do anything in your system. Okay, that is the problem. First, you want to install any one operating system in your system, then only we can do anything in your system. So, computer is a machine, and if a user want to do anything in your system or in the computer, first you want to install, or first you want to use any of the operating system in your computer. So operating system is an interface between user and computer. Then what are the functions of operating system? The main functions are, it manages all the devices of a computer. That is keyboard, mouse, memory, all the things are managed by this operating system. So operating, okay, Fizan?
And do we need to write all the points?
No. It manages all the devices of a computer. Okay. Then second point, it checks whether the device is functioning properly or not. When we start the system, it will check whether the devices in the system are properly working or not. So that is the second function. The second function, first it will manage all the devices of the computer, just like keyboard, mouse, memory, all the things. Then second point, at the time of starting, it will check whether the device is functioning properly or not. Okay. After that, it controls software resources of the computer. That is, all the software that are installed in your system are controlled by the operating system. Any software you installed in your system that are controlled by operating system. Then it manages the computer memory. It manages all the devices, including computer memory. Then it keeps track of the amount of disk space used by a specific file. What happens, Wadi? Okay. So it keeps track of the amount of disk space used by a specific file. How many space a file is needed? That is handled by operating system. When we are storing a particular file, how many memory or how many disk space is needed for storing that particular file? That is also handled by operating system. It keeps track of the amount of disk space, amount of space needed for storing a file. We will discuss what is a file or how we can manage a file or how we can store a file just like that. Okay. The last point, it allows you to create, copy, move and delete files. Using operating system, it allows to create a file, copy a file, move from one position to another position, and we can also delete that file. Okay, these are the main functions. So operating system is a mediator or interface between user and computer, and the main functions are it manages all the devices of a computer, it checks whether the device is functioning properly or not, or it controls software resources of the computer, it manages the computer memory, and also it keeps track of the amount of space used by a file. Then last point, it allows you to create, copy, move and delete files. Okay. Then types of operating systems.
1 minute, not finished.
Okay.
And that all on right now.
No, you just write this definition.
I'm already finished. Then finish.
Okay. So types of operating system. The first one, it is interactive operating system. You just write these headings. Okay. The different types of operating systems are interactive, single user, single task operating system, single user, multitask operating system, multi-user system, real-time system, distributed system. So these are the different types of operating system. Interactive, single user, single task operating system, single user, multitask operating system, multi-user, real-time, distributed. First one, it is interactive. Interactive, the other name for interactive operating system, it is GUI, that is graphical user interface. GUI stands for graphical user interface. Here it is graphical user interface, GUI. A GUI in which commands can be entered by clicking or double clicking or right clicking a mouse. That is, in our system we are using interactive. That is, we can enter some values or we can input commands using clicking or double clicking or right clicking. Okay, using the mouse, we can, when we click something, we can open or we can select using double clicking or right clicking. We can perform some operations. Okay. For example, Windows. If you are using Windows, it is interactive operating system. That is, in our most of them are using Windows operating system. That is Windows 7 or Windows 10, just like that. So if you are using Windows operating system, it is one of the interactive operating system. That is, we can perform some operations based on clicking, double clicking or right clicking. All of you switch on the video, children. Then second type, it is single user, single task. Single user, single task operating system. This type of operating system allows only one user to do task on the computer and one thing at a time. Single user, single task means only one user can handle the system, and at the same time, one process we can handle. Okay, single user, single task operating system allows only one user only one process or one operation. That is single user, single task operating system. The third one, it is single user multitask operating system. What is single user multitask? Anyone? What is single user multitask? That is, only one user can use the operating system, but we can perform multiple operations. Just like watching the movie at the same time, here writing something in the Word document, just like that. Okay, we are performing more than one task, but only one user. So, yes, Visan?
Now split screen that all the your movies and like that.
Okay. Single user multitask operating system where a single user can operate, but several programs same time. Single user can operate the system, but that single user can perform different programs at a time, the same time. For example, Windows, Apple operating system, these are the examples for single user multitask operating system. Using Windows, we can perform different at a time. A single user can perform more than one program. Okay, you all are doing like this. Then multi-user. What is multi-user? Here the second and third one is single user. That is only one user can perform with one system, one operating system. That is single user. Multi-user means multi-user operating system enables multiple users to work on the same computer. In a single computer, in the same computer, multiple users can handle or multiple users can work. Okay, that is multi-user. A multi-user operating system enables multiple users to work on the same computer at different time or simultaneously. The next one, it is real time. A real-time operating system is used to control machinery. When we are using a system that is used for controlling a machinery in big factories are using these real-time systems. Okay, real-time systems or real-time operating system is used to control machinery without human help. For starting the machine, we are using the operating system. For controlling the machine, we are using this operating system, real-time operating system. Okay. Then for controlling the scientific instruments like robots, for controlling the robot, we are using real-time operating system. A real-time operating system is a computing environment that reacts to input within a specific period of time. We set that system according to a particular time. So it will automatically handle that machine based on the time setting. Okay, that is real time. You just understand this examples. Okay.
Ma'am, do we write the example?
No. All these are in your textbook. I will give the note for you. You just write these headings.
Ma'am, single user means that only single we can use single.
At that time, single user can handle, but here we can handle a single task at a time. Here, multiple tasks we can handle. Multi-user means same system, different users can use simultaneously or at different times. Okay. Real time is mainly used for controlling machineries or controlling robots, just like that. Okay. Then last, it is distributed. Distributed operating system combines different computers in the network into a single integrated computer and storage location. That is, distributed means one, two, or three computers combined or joined together. That is distributed. Gautam, what are you doing there? Gautam, is it clear? I think the board is not clear for you. Okay, so distributed operating system combines different computers in the network into a single integrated computer. That is, different computers are combined to form a like a single computer. That is distributed. Two or three computers are joined together to work just like a single computer. That is known as distributed. Okay, so these are the different types of operating system commonly used. Okay. So we'll discuss this point in the next class. Before that, I will take the attendance.